Okay, I am a product of the Los Angeles Unified School District. All of my life, I had teachers who poured into me, especially in my high school years. As a student who was underprivileged, I grew up in gang-infested Los Angeles. Times were tough. I didn't know I was a poor student, but I was. But my teachers made me feel important. Even to this day, 41 years later, those same teachers make me feel important. So for me, I take that same love and kindness that was shared from them to me, I bring that into my learning environment for my students because I want them to feel the exact same way I felt growing up in Los Angeles.
She takes caring to a much higher level. She identifies the unique attributes of her students and she really pulls that out. She inspires confidence in her students to let them know that they can accomplish anything that they want, regardless of any disability that they may have.
My students are students with severe disabilities. The way I meet their needs is that I follow the individual educational plan and I teach to the different modalities. Some are musical, some are tactile, some are kinesthetic, some are visual, some are auditory. I use a lot of energy.
She always goes out of her way to tailor the lessons, the approach to the individual, not just the individual student, but also from year to year, classes are different. They have a whole different feel to them.
Every child is different, so I treat every child as if they're different. I have a little student named Andrick, and Andrick comes to me not being verbal at all. And we were learning a part of Dr. Martin Luther King's famous speech, I Have a Dream. Everybody is learning it, and Andrick is moving his mouth, but the voice isn't coming out. Like, I know there's a voice on the inside, just yearning to come out. So I did everything I possibly could to get Andrick to speak. One day, I get a phone call from Andrick's mother saying, Mrs. Bradford, look at this, look at this.
I have a dream. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character.
And she shows me Andrick doing the speech. And I use that speech and to motivate other students to let their voices be heard.
This campus, we have 4 special day classes, and they have been known to kind of be satellite classrooms. And one of the things that we've worked together and Mrs. Bradford has really worked is to include all students. So she thought, how can I help other children understand that these children are just like they are, but they just need to have a different understanding of them. And so she came up with the idea of doing a Skittle Pop assembly.
Skittle Pop means Skittles, people of patience. It closes the socialization gap that exists between general ed students and our regular ed students. We do this by way of school-wide assemblies, skits, plays, just having fun to have the students connect with each other. And at the end of it all, everybody gets Skittles. A few of the fun things that we do in my classroom are cooking, art, music, dancing, singing, chants, cheers. Break it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Success! It's very important that I allow my students to have fun, and in the process, they're becoming as independent as they can.
Mrs. Bradford has that gusto, that never give up attitude, that push that my daughter really needs. And it has pushed her to thrive more. And she's definitely going to come out better, a better person.
The impact that Ms. Bradford has had on this campus has been huge, not just on the students, but on the staff as well. Ms. Bradford exudes a certain level of energy and excitement to everything that she does, and it's contagious. It makes people want to get involved in things because she's involved, and when she brings things to us, we naturally get excited like her.
I have written on my door over there a little heart, and inside the heart, it has the word servant. I am a servant for the students in this classroom, for the students outside of this classroom. That's my job. It's all about the kids.